What's happening, people? Welcome back to the channel. This is part 2 of the KX125 build. This is where we're at so far. If you're interested in seeing how it got to this stage, please check part 1 of the build series. Got a box full of new bits ready to go on. We'll get to that in a minute, but firstly I want to get the suspension bolted on. Massive thanks to Justin Gibbs at Gibbs Performance for getting these all coated and fully rebuilt. Remember the blue nitrate at the bottom. Got a heavier spring put on for me, brand new, all serviced, Cerakoted bronze. So that's all the forks bolted on. Spec titanium drill bolts, looking mint. I want to get this rear shock bolted on, but first I've got to get the bearings pressed in. So you've got some new bearings there ready to go in. So that's the bearing all pressed in. Just going to put the seals in. Front and rear suspension all bolted and torqued up. Really happy with how they've come out. It's going to look nice against the black plastics. Start putting the front back together with all the parts I've got. So that's all the front plastics, bars on. Not sure what's going on with this thing. I'm pretty sure it's going to wrap around there, but there's no chance that's going around there. The thing I'm going to do is get the airbox all cleaned up, put back together and then fit it. So that's all the airbox all cleaned up. Got brand new mud flap on it. There's still a bit of sticky glue on here. I'll have to get some remover for that. Fender bolted on. Once that's done, gone ahead and stripped all the brake components down. Got all the calipers and the hangers all ready to be sandblasted, and then followed by a light bead blasting to give it a good shine.
Nowhere. Kid, hit him.
So thanks to Rory RS Junkies for letting me use this blaster and getting all my nuts and bolts plated up, looking trick. do a bit of modification on the front exhaust pipe. Move the hooks down to make the exhaust fit tighter. Cut the front mount off the exhaust because originally it was attached to the frame that way for a mount. And we've put the original mount there, and we're going to weld a new lug on there to fix to, and then the exhaust should be done. I've had to do this is because the bike's a 2003 model, and on the 2003s they changed the mounting points. You've done it for that year, so you can't find them anywhere. Found this OEM seat on eBay. Just going to remove this seat cover, put a fresh gripper seat cover on.
Cadence.
That's it for this part of the build. The bike is looking absolutely mega. If you made it this far, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Just got to build a set of wheels, get us started, and yeah, see you in the next one. Cheers.